Want to learn how to make this fantastic stuffed zucchini meal with only 5 ingredients, then you should stay tuned and watch this video. Okay, so here are our 5 ingredients we need for our delicious meal. So you need 3 big zucchinis. 1 big zucchini actually fills up 2 people, since we're going to cut this in the middle and then stuff it with this delicious meat and cheese. So I have 3 zucchinis. That makes about 6 portions. For 6 portions, I also need 2 pounds of ground beef, and you need some shredded cheese, and you need some chopped tomatoes or whole tomatoes if you like this better, and you need some garlic. If you don't like no garlic, you can also don't use garlic. You can use an onion, or you can use both. That's mainly it what you need. And of course you need some oil, and you need some herbs, salt, pepper to season. And now I'm going to show you how to make this delicious food. So for the first step, I put some oil in my pan, and I turned my stove on, and now I'm going to open my ground beef. And then you can use a garlic press, and you can mince your garlic. You can cut it at whatever you prefer. I'm going to use 2. If you make less, then you can only use 1. You can also cut your onion if you have one. I'm not a big fan of onions in my food, so today I'm just going to use garlic. And yeah, that's the first thing we're going to do. And then we're going to put everything in the pan and make a delicious tomato sauce. And you can also preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My oven is in Germany, so we have Celsius here, so it's 180 degrees Celsius. I'm making kind of mess here with my garlic right now. Okay, so the garlic in the pan first, and then I'm going to put my ground beef in it. You can also use butter instead of oil if you don't want to use oil, or you don't have any oil. I used olive oil today. Okay. Now my ground beef can go in here. And we're going to cook it all the way through, and then we're going to go and make the sauce with our chopped tomatoes. While your meat is getting done, you're just gonna wash your zucchinis, and then you just are going to take the ends off and place them on a cooking sheet or something that you can put in your oven. Okay, so we're gonna cut the ends, all 3 of them. And then you're going to take one and you're going to cut it in the middle like this. And then you can take a little spoon and take some of the inside out. If you want to, you can mix this with your ground beef. But this is only if you like it. If you don't like it, then you can just use the ground beef. So make some space for the ground beef in here. You can either just trash this, or you can use it again. So once this is done, you're going to just place them in your baking sheet or whatever you want to use, and just repeat until you got all your zucchinis done. Okay, so when your ground beef is ready, then you're going to take your chopped tomatoes or your whole tomatoes, and you're just going to put it in your pot or pan with your ground beef. And then I'm going to season it a little bit, and you're just going to let it simmer until the sauce is nice and thick. Okay. So now we're gonna add some seasonings. I have onion salt a little bit because I don't have no onion in it, just for the taste. Then I have normal regular salt. Then I have some black pepper. I have some paprika. And I do have a little bit of herbs. And that's it. You don't need so much. Put on there whatever you like. If you like it seasoned a lot, then you can put more in there, of course. Okay, so when your meat with sauce is done simmering for a little bit, you're just gonna fill your zucchini with this mixture here. And then we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on top, and then we're gonna put it in the oven. And this is a super, super simple meal, actually. If you love zucchini, then this is definitely a must-have. So, okay, take your shredded cheese and just sprinkle your desired amount on it. You can also do this step later. You can put it in the oven first and then sprinkle some cheese on it. It goes in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Or you can take it out after 20 minutes and then sprinkle your cheese on top if you don't want it so burnt. Okay, my food is in the oven and I'm gonna wait for 20 minutes now and see how it looks. Okay, so here we go. My stuffed zucchinis are done out the oven. I let them in there for 25 minutes. After 20 minutes, I added a little bit of more cheese in it, and it really, really looks delicious. And I'm so looking forward to eat this with my family right now. Hope you liked the video, and you can definitely give us a like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos of some delicious food recipes.